In this video, we're taking a close look at Botpress, an open-source chatbot platform tailored for businesses. Botpress is designed to help companies automate their customer service, lead generation, and more, using AI-powered chatbots. One of the standout features of Botpress is its flexibility, allowing users to customize the chatbot's behavior and integrate it with various business tools. Botpress is ideal for businesses looking to improve their customer support and automate repetitive tasks. Its intuitive interface and powerful analytics give you real-time insights into customer interactions, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. However, while Botpress offers a lot of features, it can be a bit complex to set up, especially for those with no coding experience. It's open source, so there's the added flexibility to tweak the platform to suit your specific needs. But this also means you might need some technical expertise to get everything running smoothly. Your business is growing, but handling every message is tough? MiniChat takes over, turning chats into sales. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Botpress also supports integration with messaging platforms like Facebook Messenger, Slack, and even your website, which makes it an excellent tool for businesses that want to streamline communication across multiple channels. It's great for scaling customer support operations without adding extra staff. In terms of pricing, Botpress is free to use, which makes it an appealing option for small businesses and startups. However, there is a paid version that offers additional features, like advanced analytics and enterprise-grade support. The free version might be enough for many businesses, but those with more advanced needs might find the paid options more suitable. Overall, Botpress is a powerful tool for businesses that need to enhance customer engagement through chatbots. While it's not the easiest platform to set up, its customization options and open-source nature give businesses the freedom to adapt it to their specific needs. If you're comfortable with a bit of technical setup, Botpress could be a great fit for your business. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best tools for businesses. Thanks for watching.